Okay, so this is our Thermo Top Evo. We're going to put into our Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 3-liter diesel, turbo diesel. And ours is the 2015. This is the box. We just picked it up from Glover International Trucks. They seem to be the cheapest in Canada to get these from. Like a few $100 cheaper than a Polar Mobility or Cold Front, whatever the local distributor is. So that's it. The unit is in the box. You've got some wiring looms that exist here for connecting things, and I believe we've got one piece that was noted was there's some reducers that come with here with this that I was told you should replace with metal fittings because these things crack and then you've got big issues. So if you're reducing or connecting to anything, you basically want to make sure you're using a metal fitting. That was one thing to note. The other thing to note is that it sounds like it's quite imperative not to have any air bubbles in the system, and that is something that we're hoping our installers are going to do. This is the Smart Temp Control 3.0 Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth receiver that will get installed in the cab somewhere, and then we'll be able to connect to that with our phones from outside or set the timers and all that jazz. So excited about that, and we'll have to see how things progress with our installers at Proactive Automotive. More to come.
So this is a tutorial on Webasto Thermo Top Evo engine coolant heater. This is on a 2015 Mercedes Sprinter van. So this is the on-off button right here, the Webasto. This is your menu. So I think you just press that, and now it's turning on. I think you press it again, and it should be on now.
That's it.
Yeah, should be. The rest you can also do on your Apple or your iPhone app or your Android app, which actually I find is easier in many ways. So here on my Smart Temp Evo, so it's going to say it's looking for it. It'll be there. You just connect it. Then it's synchronizing, and then it's going to say it's already in use, but you want to control it in the app. Actually, it didn't. So there, I think I haven't turned it on yet, but here you can either just turn it on or you can go to the timers that are available. These are there. You have to set these in the control on the car. This is, you can turn it on and off remotely from Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn it on. It's set for 30 minutes and it'll just run. We're going to get it turned on while we put our skis and stuff away, and it's just heating the coolant going through the engine. So then when you turn your engine on, your engine's already warm and you didn't have to actually have any mechanical parts getting exposed to cold wear, which is better for the vehicle, better longevity engine wise, and that's, yeah. Warm air as soon as you turn the vehicle on. That's actually the biggest thing. You turn the car on and immediately you have warm air coming out of it. So that's a good thing too.
So here's the rig it's attached to. We're just in the Lake Louise parking lot after a beautiful ski day. More info, there's the exhaust port, and you can hear it and see it.